Good morning, everybody. Hope you're doing good. Hope you're having a great day. Beautiful day out here in North Carolina. A little overcast, a little cloudy. So on my Kubota B26 here, I have an issue, and there it is right there. You know, normally when you say I have a leak, you never see it. All right, so here we go. I took off these two hose clamps here just to kind of look at this hose. I tightened up these clamps because it looked like it was leaking out of these clamps, so I just tightened it up a little bit. So I decided let's take this little hose off. And check this out. So you can see that. Nice and cracked. They got to get it shipped in from Georgia, so they'll probably have it here in a couple days, I hope. And then we'll go ahead and continue on that Kubota fix. Have a good one. Enjoy your day.